Good evening, everybody. It's so nice to see all of you here. Every year we try to choose the same place because it's so beautiful to see same memories again and again, like our school days, coming back to the same place. And I'm going to make it very quick because my little ones are very into about coming to the stage and dancing. I know some parents were saying, like, they were asking, why is it taking so long to become like 4 o'clock today, 3 o'clock today? So I'll go over this quickly. Just want to tell you like what other things we are doing and how we are spreading around the way of education around no Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and all that.
Yeah. The first one, we have split ourselves into 5 different areas. Parent Choice is the main school, which we do the training, the materials, everything we create. Then we have started speaking to people in Bombay and Bangalore for franchising the same concept. So right now it's in the talking stage. And we have some teachers who have worked with us. I don't know if some of you know Priya Menon. She's going to be taking care of the Bombay Center. And one more parent is interested in starting in Bangalore. So one more mentor we are training to send them there in Bangalore. And we are doing a lot of training for the teachers in the rural places. How to teach them much more in a nice and pleasant way without a struggle in the class. I'll be going over more on that. Then we are doing a small sponsor in terms of books and materials for the kids. And also we are taking care of slow learners and ADHD and dyslexic kids much more easily because the way of education is right brain. So they understand and start responding much fast. Within 3 months we are seeing lot of changes in them and they start learning and some of parents know here like how the slow learners are getting like A+ in maths and they're learning faster than other kids because we are tapping their inner potential. That is the main thing. Yeah, this is our vision to create a quantum intelligent civilization based on consciousness, compassion, creativity, and confidence. See, now it's more of competition based, not clarity based. So this is where we want to make a difference. And the main mission is to make the child understand that they can work through their intuition more because we have pretty much all the product and this civilization who's like growing right now is going to be majorly developing products on intuition, higher intelligence. And they need a very dynamic body because now stress level, if you see the US index, in the children it's gone really high. Between 5 to 6 years, the kids are getting stressed. So we're working to make sure they have a clarity of what they're going through and they can handle themselves without the peer pressure and all that. And also, we are making sure the kids understand the outer world with knowledge and the inner world completely so that they are not disturbed to come out with a high performance. So this is our strategy. So first we work on usually every school goes right to EQ or IQ. So we want a foundation for the kids. So that is where we focus. Our main focus, our foundation of the school is happy living. That's why we start with happy morning, happy evening, and everything. So they have to first be happy in life. Once they are happy, we see their emotions balanced. They are very sharp and clear, and they want to learn more. One of the teacher came from working in Padma Sheshadri, Z Kids and all. She said, why your kids are asking me all the time, tell me more, sing to me more, read to me more. In other schools, they're running away from the teacher. And we have to go behind them and all that. So the main reason is because they're so happy. They know everything and they want to know more. That's why they are running towards you. She was so happy to see that because we set the foundation in the school. That is the happy living. So this is the main areas that we teach them. The first thing, as I said, was SQ, which is life science learning, which is understanding themselves, how to be blissful, how to be happy. You would have seen, I had one of the parents tell me, the parent was so stressed after work coming home, and the kid was saying, yeah, we have one more parent telling the kid, you visualize, you can do things, and the kid is able to do much beyond and telling the parent to do the same thing. We had so many instances of parents coming and telling me about this. And the next thing is right brain learning. What is this right brain learning? Right brain learning is beyond the mind. See, when we sing a song, when we take a Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, if anybody can say like no fifth word of the second sentence, it's not possible because it is spontaneously not through remembering but as a flow. So they remember much beyond as a story, as a song, or dramatizing or having stage performance than just reading a book and just learning or rote learning, writing 10 times and all that. So we give a lot of activities through right brain which makes them learn, and they are more happy to learn like that because they are very close to learning through right brain. Then we have a regular yoga. Mainly we focus on their body also because unless they are healthy, they are not going to be performing so well. So we focus on giving them brain gym, which we will perform today, and we usually do yoga also. Through these two methods, we can make the body unconditioned. Not just the mind and the brain unconditioned, but body get conditioned. Sitting down is a problem for us as we grow older, and getting up is a problem, moving faster is a problem, but giving all this practice to them, they'll grow with flexibility and body stamina and energy very high level. And experiential learning. Kids learn through this, you would have heard from many places. See, we have taken the best of the methods which is followed all over the world. So I don't want to go too much on it because I see some of you running out here. So these are the channels that we use. We call it a lifestyle in parent choice. And this is exactly can be replicated in any school because kids are kids all over the world. So they accept singing a song anywhere. They accept a story anywhere. So we use all this methodology, quantum memory, creative moment, music and dance, kinesthetic, body kinesthetic movements, linguistic programs. So these are the channels which we use to teach just one concept. So they are so happy every time it's a new process. And also this is a new knowledge they are getting through new senses. So they are able to grasp much beyond. So these are the trainings. Most of the parents ask me, what are the trainings that we give to the teachers? So I just want to tell you because we use the same model in the rural schools. We give them training, the Montessori, the basic training. Nowadays they call this ABL also, activity-based learning, where the kids choose what they want to do. That is the main concept. And there's a control of error. They can find out the flaw in their system and correct it. And then we go to the life solution, which is the basement. Like how to live more peacefully, happily, joyfully without comparing between kids or no, always it is want, I want this, I want that, I want to buy new things. So we tell them what is your need and what is want, what is your desire. Like we go over a lot of topics on that. And these are the other methods, right brain training, quantum memory, and we go through the curriculum, the classroom setup. These are input, output, and evaluation process. So this can be followed anywhere. So these are the other things which we do as a standalone package in schools. For example, we are right now one of the package we are trying to do in our hometown school also, that they can have a dance and a music program, learning good things of life instead of the village people just going out. Big kids after school they are like into freedom and they're going out and doing all kind of things, learning new things which is not required. So we put them into all these programs, it's fun, and they can learn and be out of all these negative things which are happening around them. So these are out of school program as a separate package. We do it for free. And these are our schools which we are working on. The Bangalore school, actually they have done a project, art project, trying to design themselves, how they would be looking. So they have done an art program on a piece of cloth. And this is a Solur school where we were conducting a lot of activities. So we make the teachers conduct the activities. And these two are in Vaniyampadi villages, Vadaseri and Solur. And of course, you know the Chennai school. Thank you everybody and enjoy the evening.